doing a haul. So I bought some stuff from Sephora online and I got some stuff at Ulta. And I'm gonna be showing you that today. I figured it'd be a nice video because it's a lot of good goodies that you guys can get on Sephora. It's like kits and stuff like that. It's like a really good deal if you get that. So if you want to see the stuff that I got, then please keep on watching. Okay, so from Sephora, I got this box. I got this stuff online. Now, I had like 1,000 points or whatever it is on the Beauty Insider. So I got to get a couple of free things and a couple like of free samples. So I'll show you guys that. That's also a really good tip to do at Sephora. If you guys have points, you can get free stuff, especially if you order online. I also got free shipping because it was like over $60 or whatever it is. They have that thing on there. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna open that up for you. Alright, so when you open it up, it comes with like little packaging and this little tissue paper thing. It comes with this paper. It tells you what you got. So okay, so I got I believe it was 3 free samples. And then I had a bunch of points, so I got something that was 500 points and I got something that was 100 points, so it was like 600 points I lost or whatever, but I got some pretty good stuff. So I'll show you the free samples I got first. So you gotta pick from like, I think it was like 6 or 7 free samples and you can pick 3 out of that, 6 or 7 or whatever it was. So I just got this Alterna hair care. I like these little sample things because you can bring them traveling, or if you're like sleeping over a friend's house or whatever, these things are really easy to carry on. I figured I'd try this out. I got this Giorgio Armani Face Fabric, the perfect fit second skin foundation, matte finish and light to medium coverage, 12 shades. So I got this. I figured that was like a bougie brand and it was for free. So yeah, it comes with a couple shades. I'll probably try that out as well. And then I got this Becca 24-hour foundation. I actually really want to try this. I heard like Nikki Tutorials and Tati like use this and they love it. So I'm gonna try this too. It comes with a couple shades. Okay, so from the points thing, I got this It's Your Glow Getting Essentials. And I've been really into skincare lately and like under eye management and like making that nice and smooth and like anti-aging stuff. So I figured I'd get this. So this was the 500 point thing. I actually didn't get the 100 point one. I don't know, it was on the paper. I just didn't get it. It was my 100 points. It was the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery thing for your under eyes, or a serum or whatever, but I didn't get that in here. Yeah, so I got this. So this has the IT Miracle Water Anti-Aging. I'm guessing it's kind of like a toner. And then I got the IT Bye Bye Makeup, and then IT Secret Sauce, and then Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. That's what I really wanted to try. And then it came with a little like brochure thing about like the fragrances, and I think it has a couple free samples of the fragrances that you can like smell and stuff like that. So then the things that I bought. So I was doing my Christmas list. Yes, I make Christmas lists because no one knows what to get me because I'm so picky. So I make Christmas lists for people. But so for my Christmas list, I was really wanting the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and I know that's really expensive. So I was kind of just like thinking about it out loud. I was watching a couple videos about it, and your phone, it hears you, because on my way to work, I saw that I had an ad on Instagram that was for this kit from Sephora. So this kit I got and saw. It comes with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. It comes with the Tatcha Water Cream, Tatcha Silk Canvas, and then the Radiance Mask. And this comes with literally every single thing that you would want. It comes with, I believe this is a full size of the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And then it comes with the minis of the other one. So if I like it, I can just buy a bigger one. This is actually a really good deal because The Tatcha Silk Canvas, I believe, is $54 itself. And I know this is a mini, but I'm sure the mini is probably like $40 or $30. So if you think about it, I got this entire kit for $65, which comes with a full size and 3 minis. And it's a good opportunity to check if you like the product, because if you buy a full size of something that's expensive and you don't like it, it's kind of a waste of money. So I think it's really good that they do these minis and these kits to show and to see if you like it, so you can buy the bigger product. And then when I was on the website, when you swipe, there's like more kits. They have a couple more kits. They have like the Sephora like best ones, and then they have the like Makeup Lovers and stuff like that. They're really, really good. I really recommend getting those. I also put in my Christmas list that I want another beauty blender, because my favorite beauty blenders are the Beauty Blender brand ones, and those are $20 each. And also I've been looking at the Too Faced Hangover primers and stuff like that. Like I said, I've been looking up stuff on YouTube and what's like the best primers, what's the best foundations and stuff like that. So my phone heard me, my FBI agent heard me and did me right. But this was also on there. This was also a kit, and this is the Beauty Sleep. This is, I don't know what it's called, but it has the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, and it has the face primer, and a beauty blender and a baby beauty blender. So it comes with all of this. This whole kit was $40. Yeah, so I feel like this is really worth it to buy this. And so I'll be trying this out. If you guys want me to try all these products out, then please thumbs up this video, and I definitely will for you guys. Okay, so now from Ulta. So I didn't get a lot of stuff from Ulta because I was kind of just looking for like 4 key products that I wanted to get. One of the videos I was watching, she used these products in it. And also I was watching Alyssa Ashley's video about like highlighters and like the best foundation to use and stuff like that, and I really think that this is a good thing to get. So for primer, I got the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I've heard good and bad things about this, but I kind of want to try it out myself. The girl that used it, she had beautiful skin, so I'm not really sure if like that was she can use anything and her skin will look good. But this says it reduces pores, skin looks smoother, Insta Blur technology. This has actually been out for a while now, but I really wanted to try it to see if it actually works. So then next up for foundation, I didn't get like concealer or anything. I got the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. That girl also used in that video. So I got the shade 07, I think it was like natural or something like that. I got it at Ulta, and this was, I believe, like $14. Yeah, I think this seems like a very good foundation to try out. I've heard a lot of good reviews on it. I've also heard not too good reviews on it, because a lot of people that I watch like full coverage, and this isn't full coverage unless you build it up. And so for powder, I got a powder because I'm wondering if this is gonna work for me. So I got the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. So this banana powder is yellowy, and I have a little bit of a pink undertone rather than yellow. I know this is really good for yellow undertones, but we're gonna try this out underneath our eyes to see if it brightens our under eyes. I heard a lot of good reviews on this. The girl that I watched the video on those other 2 things, they used this, and Alyssa Ashley also used this. So I figured I would try it out. So the last thing that I got was a brush. So I love all of Morphe brushes. They are very good quality for the price, and yeah, I like all their shapes and stuff like that. Like, it's so good. So this one, I don't think this is the exact one that Alyssa Ashley used, but it looks similar. So I've been using the Real Techniques highlighting brush. So it looks like this. It's a little dirty right now, but I've been using this Real Techniques contour brush for my highlight for like ever. So I figured I wanted to try something that's a little bit more like compacted. I know Jeffree Star, which I've also been very obsessed with him lately, he uses like a long tapered brush, and I don't know if it's like a Morphe brush or whatever, but he uses like a long tapered brush for his highlights. So I figured I wanted to try that out. So I got the Morphe M510 brush, and it looks like this. It'd be nice if I took it out of the package. So it looks like this. So it's this kind of big brush. So I figured if it goes like right along the cheekbone, that it would work very well for like cheekbones and stuff like that. So yeah guys, that was my haul video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell your friends, tell your mothers, tell your brothers, tell your sisters, tell your grandmothers to subscribe to my channel. I really love all you guys' support, and I really appreciate all you guys' support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.